20 August 1942. The escort carrier USS Long Island delivers a squadron of 31 Marine aircraft, 19 Grumman F4F Wildcat fighter planes, and a squadron of 12 Douglas SBD Dauntless dive bombers south of Guadalcanal to Henderson Field, forming the field's first permanent air contingent. The aircraft at Henderson become known as the Cactus Air Force after the Allied codename for Guadalcanal. Repair and improvement is done by the US Navy Seabee 6 Naval Construction Battalion, and the Marine fighters head into action the next day on the first of the almost daily Japanese bomber air raids. On 22 August, a squadron of 5 U.S. Army Bell P-400 Airacobra fighters, a P-39 variant, and their pilots arrive at Henderson Field. In the coming months, a number of Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress heavy bombers and U.S. Navy aircraft use the base. Surprised by the Allied attack, the Japanese make several attempts between August and November 1942 to retake Henderson Field. 3 major land battles, 7 large naval battles, 5 nighttime surface actions, and 2 carrier battles, occasional heavy bombardment by naval forces including Kongo-class battleships, and continual, almost daily aerial battles culminate in the decisive Naval Battle of Guadalcanal in November 1942, during which the last Japanese attempt to bombard Henderson Field from the sea and to land enough troops to retake it is defeated. Until next time, stay salty devils, Semper Fi, and carry on.